¿Qué pasó? I'm gonna go get some fucking burritos this morning. How you guys doing? Just gonna, you know, leave the shop totally open. Nobody there. America. Burritos! I really like breakfast burritos. Like, I really like breakfast burritos. He was angry at something. I don't know what the fuck that was all about. You just bought a new car. It's a new car. What you so angry for, man? You should be happy. It's a new car. Chill, bro. Guys, don't judge me. I know my fucking truck is absolutely filthy right now. I'm in the process of moving between like 3 places right now. Just in the process of buying a house, and it's a bitch because you then have to figure out how to juggle your shit. Like all your shit, you have to learn how to juggle it until you finally like get your new place. Oh yeah, moving's a bitch, guys. It's a little cheaper than apartments, a lot more worth it in the long run, but yeah, moving's a bitch. Welcome to Papa Bear's breakfast burritos. God, fuck, I can't talk. That is a handy, capable spot. Cannot park there. What's up, biker bruh? Smoking a cigarette at a gas station. Whoop. Oh, fit. Like a sandpaper condom. Oh my god, guys, big fucking news. Okay, so the reason why I didn't record coming back, I got a call from this one power sports store out in Hurst, Texas, and I think I might be going to get my DRZ 400 today, either today or tomorrow. And if that's the case, fucking awesome. Like, dude, I'm getting like a little antsy right now because I really hope this fucking bank that he's sending my shit through ends up going ahead and approving me, because if that's the case, I won't need a co-center. That's really the only reason why I haven't ended up getting like a new bike yet. I was thinking about the KTM 690 Enduro R, the 400 DRZ. Nothing was like for sure yet. I'm sure that sun's like blinding, but anyway, yeah. Waiting on a phone call. Break. You know what's next. That motherfucker's alive. Damn it.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm doing good, doing good. Well, I got good news.
Okay.
They got you approved. They got you approved with the 1,500 down. Okay.
Okay.
Now they have. I don't have my boss should have wrote a payment on here for you because it's on a 48-month term, so it's on a 4-year term.
Okay.
So, well, we got you approved. That's all good. I need 15 down. Okay.
Okay.
Exactly 1500 down to make it happen.
Alrighty, man. That's awesome. I really appreciate that.
Well, good job, man. Congratulations, and I'll be waiting on that email. I'll be in contact with you. Okay.
All right. Sounds great, man.
All right. Thanks, bud. See
you. Hey, thank you. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Fucking awesome. Holy shit. I'm down. Be professional. Still a man. Alright guys, so we're packing up for the day. Gonna go do some fucking final riding on my 250 Hawks. Dustin just got back from Dallas picking up a load of bullshit. We're back. Goods. Yes. Finally getting a lot of shit settled, and yeah. Hopefully I can go get my DRZ, baby. Say hi, Ryan. Le office. Le truck. Pump that garbage in another man's face. Happy birthday to the ground. Anybody know anybody that wants to buy some 2014 Toyota rims? Hit me up. What, 300 bucks? 305. 305. I gotta make a dollar. Yeah, 305. Gotta make something. He bought them, and it turns out they don't fit on his truck because they're 5 lugs and he's got 6 lugs. Huh?
You know, everybody's like always like calling my I need a haircut and crap like that.
Yeah, you do need a fucking haircut. You know who you look like? I already told you. You look like fucking Will Ferrell from that basketball movie.
Let me do.
What?
I told him he's letting me grow out my hair like for a whole year. I'm gonna cut like I'm gonna do like the thing, put it in a ponytail and cut it, and it gets like locks for love, whatever it's called. People who need hair.
You're a faggot.
Hey, you'll ride.
That's right. I am gonna ride. 'Cause I'm a grown ass man. I'm a strong, independent black woman who don't need no man.
Alright, no, no.
What? Choke on, flooded. There we go. Warm up, damn it. I'm gonna miss my baby. This is my baby. I put 1,300 miles on this fucker. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it a lot. Got my unicorn shirt on. Yeah, yeah. Styling, bitches. Hey, Tiddly! Yeah! What are you doing? Nothing? Yeah, they bought a 4-wheeler.
You better be careful.
I am. God damn it.
Paw Patrol.
Okay. What about your tummy? What? She's so cute.
Good, it feels solid.
There's 2 straps.
Look at your cute little earrings. It's so precious.
No, it's solid.
Yeah.
And I'm just going literally straight up 308.
You're going in.
It's one shot here.
The park brake's on this handlebar, so just squeeze. Go baby. We're leaving. We're done.
Say hi to the camera, Tinley. Say hi to the camera. It's so damn cute. Can I put that in my video?
Yeah.
Awesome. Huh? Take a picture of you? All right, here, let's do a picture. Oh, where is that?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe his truck. I'm thirsty as fuck, so I'm probably gonna run by the house and get a water. Bye, babe.
Bye, Tinley.
She wants that water. No, Daddy's drink.
Bye, Tinley. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. I'm pretty sure my camera died halfway through the ride, the last ride on the Hawks. Haven't gotten to edit any footage yet. Tomorrow I'm going to be going to pick up my brand new 2017 DRZ 400 Supermoto. So I'll be taking y'all along for the ride. We're going to pick up Garrett. It's my buddy. He's going to drive my truck back. And my hair looks like shit. So I'm just ending the night with a little bit of Archer. Fucking love Archer. And yeah, I will see you all in the morning.